Look at that face. Baby!
I didn't know you're recording.
I'm gonna cut that out. I don't know how much time I have to actually do a face, but we'll see.
Hey, Ma.
Hey, Bean. How did you sleep?
Good.
Did you dream?
Yeah.
What did you dream about?
I dreamed about morning.
Oh, were we at the park?
Yeah.
Right.
And Dad.
He said if you up, I'm up.
For real. I had to beat the worm. I'm an Earl Burl. You Earl, baby girl.
Miah said, you ain't gonna show me up, Daddy.
Ma,
Yes, Bean.
do you know why I don't like kindergarten?
Why?
Because because my class is loud.
Oh, no.
That's why I don't like kindergarten.
Can't have loud in class now.
Do you tell him, don't be so loud?
I tried to.
Do they listen to you?
No,
Oh.
they just like ignore me, and then I'm trying to tell them something important, but they don't listen.
Oh, no. Well,
And one of my friends say a bad word.
uh-oh. What did you say? Did you say, don't say that word?
I said, don't say that word because it's a bad word. And
What did they say?
they say, I'm just gonna keep saying it.
Well, just keep setting a good example and maybe he'll follow you.
Okay.
Did you fix your bed and brush your teeth and wash your face? I'm gonna have to leave the house really soon, so I gotta hurry up and do something to my hair. Hold on. Not even just my hair, like I had to do something to the rest of my face because I have not gone outside without eyebrows on. So this is a Luna highlighter, but I feel like it might be a little bit too like ashy on me. It'll give like this snowy color, so I could probably use it as an inner corner highlight, but I'm not gonna use it over the lid. I love this palette. I love this palette so much. I'm gonna put this one in the corner and then I'll pop this like orangey color on my lid space. This outer color is called Revenge. And I'm not gonna be too precise right now, and I don't want it to pop too much because I'm going to the cart. Like, now I'm gonna grab this like flat. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush, and it's flat. It's a flat brush. I use that to do placement colors. Like, so this color Thick, that orange color that I showed you a minute ago, it's a placement color to me. So I'm just gonna, and I call it a placement color because I'm just placing it all over my lid.
I couldn't find the downstairs toothbrush.
Oh no. Do you want that?
Yeah.
Take it to the table and eat it. Jonathan made me breakfast. And then Miah came in and took the breakfast. It's funny because you know when your kids want something because they come in and they just sit there and they stare at it. Well, at least mine do. Like they come in, they sit and they stare at the item. Or they come in and just randomly start talking to me and I'm like, I know why you're in here. I know why you're here. I feel like this might be too orange for the cart, but I think the rest of my face will help to tone it down. I don't have that much time left, so I gotta hurry up. I'm really just patting this on. I like that it gives me even color, even coverage. I'm gonna go back in with this one and just even out the edges. Doing my brows. I'm gonna do it real fast. I don't know why lately I've been using more pinks. Like you can see it on my Instagram. Like I've been using pinks like for like maybe 2 months, and I don't know why. Like, I've been reaching for the pinks. Is summer officially over yet? Is it? I don't know. It doesn't feel like it where we live because it's still really hot outside. Like yesterday, I think it was like in the hundreds. Oh, and then I go and mess up that. Look at that. So the good thing about the brows is that no matter what you do, even if you mess it up, you can always go in with concealer and fix it. It's perfect. Like, I love that about brows. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to clean up my brow. I just put a little bit on my arm or my hand. Usually at the end of my face, my hand is covered in makeup no matter what I do, especially if I'm doing somebody else's makeup. Like, good night. So I'm going to go in and just clean up my brow. I never put the line right next to the brow when I'm starting because you have a lot of product on it. It's easier to start lower and then move up close to the line of the brow. That way you don't get this buildup of product right underneath the brow. If that makes sense, what I just said. It's okay. Like, I'm going to do it on the other eye, so it's fine. So you see over here how I'm kind of, like, this is the line of my brow. Like, usually one would put the concealer right there while I'm putting it under that line. Just because there's a lot of product. And then I can use the product from that line to move up and even the line out. Go back in with this fluffy brush and just clean it up so that it blends nicely. For mascara, I'm going to be using Pixie's Lash Lift. It has 2 in 1. I freaking love this mascara.
Mom,
Yes, Bean?
I cannot find the toothbrush.
Why?
I don't know.
Your toothbrush or the toothpaste? Because you're holding your toothbrush.
I meant the toothpaste.
You couldn't find the toothpaste.
Yeah.
Okay. The eyes looks cute. Okay, so I am going to add my primer. I'm going to add my primer to my face. I've been using the Fenty primer. Ugh, this stuff is amazing. One pump does it. Holds my face perfectly all day. I should already be gone. And I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. It has become my favorite. I did not wet my blender. You can hear how, like, incredibly horrible it sounds on my face right now. This is essentially me beating my face because there's no liquid in this and it hurts. Contour, warm it up on my hand, take the edge of the blender, and I'm just gonna press and pounce. That's right, babe. I think it's much easier to blend out contour when it's not this long stripe on the face. I always feel like my face isn't complete unless I've done my under eye area, and I don't really have, well, I wouldn't say that I don't have bags. I guess I don't have bags, but I just feel like that area makes me look like I'm tired, so I always have to brighten up my under eye area. I really do it for the brightening effect over like covering anything.
That's kind of fast.
What?
That probably true.
Oh my gosh. You're horrible. You know that, right?
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Little do they know what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah, and I have a feeling that you like that. Usually I use an eyeshadow brush to put my highlight on. I don't know why I grabbed this big brush today. Whatever. Okay, so I need to finish up by putting on my blush, and I'm gonna use my Toasted Almond Blush by Black Radiance Beauty because I absolutely love this blush. I've had it for like forever and it has not worn out on me. I really hope that by the time I hit pan that they still have this in like production. Am I about to hit pan? I think I'm about to hit pan. But it's weird. The center is not like going away. It's going away on the outer edges. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life when this blush is gone. I kind of really just put it everywhere. I'm just thinking about what you just did. Horrible. And now we need to set the face. I'm going to set my face using, I have not used this Maybelline Master Fix setting spray since I got it, and I think Maybelline sent it to me, or I got it in like a, the only thing that I wish is that companies would work on how the products, the setting spray sprays out of the bottle. I used a different setting spray and it sprayed out so hard it like ruined my eye makeup. Like the spray, it was like raindrops on my face. But you know who has a really good spray bottle, like the actual like spray nozzle? Pixie is really good. Like the mist that comes out, it is a total like phew. Anyways, so I'm gonna do my hair real fast and do the reveal. Babe, are you over here showing the camera your jammies?
I'll just let them know.
What you let them know?
I aim to please.
Oh gosh. All right, y'all. I cannot find my hairband. I think that works. Okay, we're gonna go with this today. I hope you guys like the look. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have not done so already and you like this video, thank you so very much. Like the video, subscribe to join the family. I'll see you guys in the next video. Coming out, babe. Coming out, babe. No, I'm just kidding. Look at that. It's 95 degrees out here. So it's not winter weather just yet. Even if it is for everybody else, it's not for us. And I found my hair tie, you guys. Yay, it was in the car. Okay, gotta go.